Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will see how to set up local Yum repository. I have created a video where I have installed an RHEL7 machine on VMware Workstation. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link into the description. You can go and watch them. And if you like the video, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos, because your support will motivate me to make more videos. I'll be coming up with these type of videos every day, so stay tuned. Alright then, without further ado, let's get directly into our first practical. This is what you see are the steps that I'm going to follow in this practical. The prerequisites are you should be having an ISO image with you that will be mounted on MNT directory. Okay, the file that I have already mounted on the MNT directory because it is a big file of almost 4.2 GB. So using WinSCP, you transfer the file into MNT directory and you are good to go. As you can see, I have already transferred the ISO image over here. So I'll start with the practical. So these two steps are already covered. Now mount the MNT folder with ISO file with following command. So the command is mount -o loop the ISO file and on which directory. Okay, then the next step is there is a folder known as packages that you have to copy in the /opt directory. First I will check whether the ISO is mounted or not. Yes, it is mounted. So I will copy the packages folder into OPT directory. Now that the packages folder is copied to the /opt directory, I'll change the directory to OPT. After changing the directory to OPT packages, I will copy some mandatory RPMs. And there are 3 mandatory RPMs before we proceed, and that is Delta RPM, Python Delta RPM and create repo. So as you can see, all the 3 mandatory RPMs are copied successfully. What I will do now is I will create a local repository in yum.repos.d file. So I'll change the directory to yum.repos.d and I'll create a local repo. And what do I create in that local repository? I will create a base URL which will point towards the packages folder, and it will help to install packages using yum. So this is the base URL which will point toward the packages, and it will be used to install the packages with the help of yum command that we will see in the end of the video. Now that the local repository is created, I'll execute a command of create repo. Now that the local repository is created, I will do some yum clean commands, and then we will verify the yum repo list. Yum clean metadata, and now we will verify the yum repo list. And as you can see in our repo list, we have total 4,986 repos that you can use to install packages like Samba, SFTP, SMB. All these packages can be installed without internet and without having any valid subscription. So isn't that great? So I will do a small testing. And as you can see, the package is installed successfully. So this is how we use a local yum repository. And if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because your support will definitely motivate me to make more videos. Okay, I'll be coming up with these type of videos every day. To stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Signing off as of now. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.